This is America, y'all. This is America. Just appreciate the things that are here while they are here still. Eventually, they might disappear. This is a piece of hay, straw, whatever the fuck. I lost my toothpick. So it was a toothpick in a haystack. But I found this amongst a lot of pieces of straw. Is that what that is? Yeah, but I'm so excited about this cheeseburger. You have no idea, you guys. Like, I am so freaking excited. Thank you so much, Yeshua, for this cheeseburger. I'm already saying a prayer right now because it's awesome to be able to appreciate things, you know, while they're here, appreciate things while they last, because they might not last, you know. And I said before, and I'll say it again, I feel like if you experience the kingdom of heaven, that means that you're experiencing this timeless moment. Whereas I feel like when you're experiencing hell on earth, it's just like, I feel like you're in some sort of reality that, I mean, I guess it is reality. Yeah, if you acknowledge how shitty things really are. Yeah. But that's just the negative, like focusing on the negative. And that's exactly what a lot of people want to do that can make money off of you focusing on the negative, and then they have a solution to you focusing on the negative. They're going to help you, right? Right. Help doesn't help. I've said it before. If it helped, you wouldn't be in this position still. Can't figure out what this person's doing, see? I can't see shit because of the sun. Luckily, Bill Gates has got big plans for the sun. It's really scary that you have this, like, billionaire dude that, like, wants to control nature like that. That's so weird. That's some, like, real, like, power-hungry, ego-tripping shit, man. But they try to control everything. This is just a war with nature. It's a war on humanity. It's a war on mankind, you know. But anyway, I'm about to go inside, eat me a cheeseburger. And I just want to say hello once again. And I've said hello several times since I've been doing this in 2017, was it? Did I start in 2017? It's like right when it all went to hell with DT. Here's the thing about him that people don't seem to realize. Those of you that love him or those of you that hate him, you guys are both wrong. You guys don't realize that y'all have been played. He was most definitely the smartest card that has ever been played. The Trump card. That's a genius card. Because he's a very talented motherfucker. I always forget what ETA means. Estimated time of arrival, correct? I'm not up to snuff on these sorts of things. I'm really not. Anyway, I was gonna say something. I think you already said it. Just shut up. Okay.